Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
What is up, folks? It's Alex, Alexan, Andre. Seriously.
Yeah.
Sorry about that, folks. I'm excited because the market is open tonight. Like I said, in Japan, the market US opens at 10:30 p.m. and then the market closes at 5 a.m. So I'm up at crazy hours. Yeah, man, you guys gotta check out this Como River more. Let me go walk towards it more so I can show you guys what you guys are missing. And this is where I catch a lot of my water Pokemon. Come on, you guys know you guys play Pokemon Go still. It is hot under the sun. I'm gonna walk back to the shade. Like, seriously. So peaceful. Alright, guys. I think I'm good. Well, I'm gonna see you guys back in Tokyo. So right now, we're heading back. We're going to the bullet train. I'm saying. We're over here waiting for the bullet train. Ours come at 56, so we got like 15 minutes. I'm like the human mule. But yeah, it's gonna be a 2-hour train ride, bullet train, and bullet train's always comfortable for me. But yeah, so we're just here waiting, posted. This is so good. I like this drink. I'm not sure what's in it because I can't really read the bottle, but it is delicious. Alright, well, I'll catch you guys later. Just arrived, fell asleep, we're snoring pretty loud, but we almost to our crib. See you guys later. What's up? It's me, Lexan. Whoa, perfect timing. So we just got back to Tokyo from Kyoto. I guess tonight is gonna be crazy, but we're back in Tokyo. We're back at home. That's about it. Thank you guys so much for joining us in this journey. Kyoto was dope. The Como River was dope. The Golden Temple was dope. Oh, I'm getting some footage of the lightning. The newspaper might want to use this footage. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all later. Peace out.